Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you the Honeygain. So how many of you still remember Honeygain, or you have forgotten Honeygain? Okay, do you know that you can make money with Honeygain by just sharing your data to friends? Okay, by using data, okay, not to friend, by just using your data, you'll be getting more dollars. Okay, as you can see my current balance now, I have $55. Okay, so this is how you can do and invite more people. So as you can see it here in this area now, by the time you invite people, so you get $3. So as you can see, so every time a friend is paid out, your friend is withdrawing, you also get $5. Okay, as you can see, not about all the referral. So if you don't have capacity of referral, just make sure you are on and your data is on every time, and you check your Honeygain logo. Okay, so that is where you get, as you are using or sharing your data, you get more money. Okay guys, as you can see now, to withdraw now, I'm going to do the live video on how to withdraw it here presently. Now as you can see, this payout is just 0.28% going to $20. So I will not just go like that. I will go to the jump task. Okay, so by just switch back to this area, so this is the John's back now. So John starts. So what can you do with this one now is by connecting, and you start and you make sure you have updated your MetaMask and you join your MetaMask with your BNB Smart Chain. So that's how you link your account in order to withdraw, guys. So as you can see, if I click on start now, if I click on start now, you'll be able to see that this is the link and account that I have linked before. So to copy your jump tax account ID and paste the account in the input row below. So look at the account now, so add the account by the time I use this one. So that is how, but I will not let the video to be long. So the next 2 days I'm going to withdraw this $55. So most important thing is that you don't joke with this, and you can also make money by just sharing your data to, but as you are using your data, as I'm using the data now, it keep increasing. Okay, and if you have capacity to to invite friends, you get more, and this will quickly go up. Okay, so quickly go up. So and some other tax that is also here, we have some tax here that you can also join. Okay, look at this one now. This is 5 MB. This one is data stuff here. You can also join it. By joining it, you get more data on it, guys. So on this Honeygain, so keep on with Honeygain. Okay guys, if you find this tutorial useful, consider to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for my next update, guys. Peace.